Hello everyone. Welcome back to Khuong in Vietnam. Today, I'll share a simple evening from our daily life in Vietnam. From people working hard to earn a living, to a simple dinner with my wife. This is another ordinary day in our family's journey. Let's begin. As we walk through the streets, we meet people selling lottery tickets. Many of them spend long hours outside every day to earn a living. Life is not always easy, but they continue working hard with hope for a better tomorrow. After work, my wife and I stop for a simple grilled dinner. The food is affordable, delicious, and a nice way to end a busy day. Sometimes the happiest moments come from the simplest meals.
Thịt muối luôn.
After dinner, we head back home. The city is becoming quieter as the evening goes on. Another working day is slowly coming to an end. When we get home, my wife starts hanging the laundry. These small daily tasks are part of our normal routine. Every family has their own way of taking care of a home. While my wife finishes the laundry, I prepare her work clothes for tomorrow. It's a simple thing, but helping each other makes life a little easier. We always try to share the responsibilities at home. This is our small 25 square meter room. It may not be large or luxurious, but it is warm and comfortable. This is where we rest, dream, and continue building our future together. Another simple day has come to an end. Thank you for spending this evening with us and seeing a small part of everyday life in Vietnam. We appreciate your support and hope to see you again in the next episode. Goodbye and take care.